Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Cracking this Java nested loop problem is actually super fast if you trace the indices carefully. Let's find the correct array values together right now. Start with the outer loop where j equals 0. The code sets the first diagonal element to 0. The inner loop does not run because k is not less than 0. Next, when j equals 1, the diagonal element at index 1, 1 becomes 1. Then the inner loop runs once, setting index 1, 0 to 1 and index 0, 1 to negative 1. Boom! When j is 2, the diagonal becomes 2. The inner loop fills remaining spots using subtraction logic. This confirms our final matrix is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.